Here's the Honda Ridgeline. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it in front of the vehicle on top of the Honda emblem. Put one finger over there and then push it right. While it's pushed right, lift up the hood. This is how the secondary release lever works. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, let it go, and now it's secure. Now right over there is the primary fuse panel. Let's go ahead and get the cover off. It's held in place by two clips, one over here, the second one over there, and lift up the cover. Underneath the cover is where you'll find the fuse puller and the spare fuses. This 20 amp spare fuse is going to come handy in just a minute. Let's go ahead and get the fuse puller out. And now let's go ahead and get the secondary fuse panel cover off. Three clips, one in the back, two in the front. Press them all and get the cover off. Underneath the cover is where you'll find the fuse diagram for it. We'll be focusing on this one. It says CTR ACC socket. This is the fuse for the socket that's inside the central console. Now what we'll be doing is just pull the fuse, check if it's good or bad, and if it's bad then we'll replace it with the 20 amp spare fuse, because that's very likely what the issue is. See, in my case, when I pull the fuse out, the outlet stopped working because this is a good fuse. How do I know that? Look at the center part. It's not broken. If yours is broken, then it's a bad fuse, and that's very likely what the issue is. And the good thing is we have this 20 amp spare fuse. Let's get it out. Let's check the center part of this to make sure that this is good. And yes, this is looking good. It's not broken. Put the good 20 amp fuse back in the original position, and the moment I do that, power is going to be back on. Same process for the other outlet, the one that's outside by the gear shift. For this one, you have to look at the fuse diagram over here. Number 5, FR HCC socket. Same process, except that this is a bit of an awkward position to go in and pull the fuse out. But same thing, get this fuse out, check the fuse is good, and if yours is bad, change it with the 20 amp spare fuse. Put a good 20 amp fuse inside over there, and the moment I do that, power's back on. Once you're done, don't forget to put the fuse puller back in its place, and let's put this cover back in. Press it down to secure it. Repeat the process for the other one, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, put it back in its place, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Thank you.